Tell us about this 1-1. How important is this for Glenmuir?
It's important because it's like on top of the table clash. Like, we just get these 3 points are sure for the second round. We're just, even though we didn't get the victory, we're very grateful for the job.
In terms of after school, boy, what next for you in terms of your football career?
I want to play my next year, which is my last year, but I don't know what the future holds. So.
What's your assessment of your performance today? A lot of the fans, even the central fans, are cheering you on. What do you think about your performance today?
Decent. It was a very decent performance. To the coaches' instructions and play my game.
Messi or Ronaldo? All right.